In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an interlocking logo using Canva. We'll build a clean professional interlock effect using only Canva's basic tools, keeping the process simple and repeatable. Start by opening a blank Canva design. A square canvas works well for logos, so a 1000 by 1000 pixel design is a solid starting point. Add a text box and choose a bold or serif font with strong, clear shapes. Letters with solid strokes and distinct serifs create a more convincing overlap. Type your first letter and scale it up so it's the visual focus. Pick a color that fits your brand palette and make sure it contrasts nicely with your background. When it looks right, duplicate that text and change the character to your second letter. You can keep the same color or choose a complementary one. Both approaches work. Now position the two letters so they overlap in a way that feels intentional. Drag them together until the curves or serifs intersect in an interesting spot. Zoom in and let Canva's snapping guides help you line up edges and centers. You are aiming for a balanced, woven look where the eye reads both letters clearly, even as they cross. Next, download what you see as a PNG with a transparent background. Use the Share button, select PNG, and make sure transparent background is turned on. This preserves clean edges and lets us edit the overlap precisely. Re-upload that PNG into Canva, then place it right on top of the original text version. Align the uploaded image perfectly with the live text beneath so every edge matches. If needed, reduce the opacity of the top layer briefly to check alignment, then bring it back to 100%. Here's the weaving illusion. Select the uploaded PNG and use the crop handles to trim away tiny slivers where one letter should pass under the other. Work slowly and zoom in tight. Crop just enough to hide the segment that would logically tuck behind, then nudge the image to ensure here is no gap. Move around the overlap, cropping in small precise adjustments until the interlock looks seamless. The goal is a clean under-over pattern that reads naturally at a glance. When you are happy, select everything and group it. Grouping keeps the spacing locked as you resize. Scale the logo to the size you need. Check that the edges remain crisp. And then download your final logo as a PNG with a transparent background, so it's ready for use across different designs. Thanks for watching.